Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to Nguyen Phan Toi. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that cute? I think you need one of those.
It's very small, to be honest. I think it's not working. Look.
Not working.
Not working.
Okay. That would have been great. Do you have capybaras here?
Also Snow White.
Yeah. All right. Let's check out the street. I walk the street often, but now I want to show it to you when it's evening. I also want to test out my camera, how the night mode is. Maybe I can do a nightlife video soon. It was very windy and cold today, but dry. It said it was raining every day, but it was cold. It rained in the morning, early morning, and then somehow it was okay. It was very windy though, very windy.
To be honest, maybe 1.5 hours ago, it was cold, and now I have the feeling it's increasing again.
Yes, you're right, you're right. The wind is gone and it's just like hot again. It's warm. Maybe because we walk so much, but we still have shorts on and shirts. So it's like, of course not that cold. But it went down just like from one very hot day. The next day we woke up, boom, cold. Out of nothing. Well, it's okay. I think it'll go back to normal.
Say maybe cold in terms of Da Nang. Because somebody in Canada would say, yeah, yes, minus something.
Yeah, Sammy, you moron.
Big hugs to Francois.
Oh no, Francois. Poor Francois. Here you can change money too, but they don't have always the best course, but sometimes. A gold seller. But yeah, so here you will also see a lot of places opening up in the evening and are very busy instead of being closed in the afternoon when we walk around normally.
This is the street of food.
Yeah. Street food street, Chao Ti Vin Te over there. Another Highlands coffee here. Yeah, I think all the stores are open now because people are going to eat now in the evening. This is a very interesting place too because I ate there once. It's very good, but a little bit too more pricey than usual. Ban Chan Kuon Te. Very good and very legendary. I think I ate it 1 month into my relationship with my wife. Her best friend came from Hanoi and they brought me there. This is the first time I ate fermented fish sauce, and I did not even know that it was fermented fish sauce. And I was like, oh, that has a great taste. And she was like, be careful with this specific sauce here, okay? Be careful with that. And I just ate it completely, you know? And I'm like, oh, I like it salty like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I did not know it is something.
Yeah, and then in the first days when I arrived, the first time in Da Nang, you brought me to a place with these Mam Tom. Is that correct?
That's something else, but
okay.
it's something worse. So Mam Tom is the shrimp sauce, but Mam Nem is the fermented fish sauce. The fermented fish sauce is way easier to eat, even though I took my sunshine bloke, David, a 65-year-old Australian bloke, to try out those fermented fish sauces. And I should have videoed it. Maybe I will do it in the future. But the look in his face, it was hilarious. He could only bite it once. And then he almost had, he forgot his name, I think. It was a hilarious picture.
So he collapsed.
Yeah. No, thankfully not, but he struggled a little bit, let's say it like that. But you know what? This place I never talk about. Oh, let us go here. Oh! This place I never talk about, but I went eating out here often when I just arrived to Da Nang. So they are actually over 2.5 years in business. And my English friend, Daniel, he always brought me there. He was like, oh mate, are you in for some pork belly and rice? Yes, I always am. It was beautiful. So this place, Komga, I mean this is chicken rice place, but they have also pork belly.
And this place I
Oh,
remember
yeah.
is from Ben. You remember Ben from America?
Yeah.
He's married to the Mexican woman.
Yeah.
He said this is very, very good food.
Yeah,
But
it's
on
the-
our Lukbandao Street.
Yeah, there are many of those.
Yeah.
There are many of those everywhere. I really want to try out this barbecue chicken once. It's like, I think it's a Korean brand because I saw it in Korea. So I assume it's Korean. It also looks a little bit like Korean, like the Korean fried chicken. Oh, look at this. We are the TP Bank. TP Bank is where you can get money without a fee. But guess what? It's probably empty now.
Yeah.
It's empty because no one is standing in line, maybe.
It's very famous. Sometimes you have a very long queue.
Yeah. Here also the Estrella Hotel. I did a review about that. Pretty modern hotel. Kenny stayed there once. And fourth in, this location I don't like that much. I mean, here's the thing.
We've been there
We've
once.
been here once, but it's like inconsistent. Sometimes I get a warm pho, and it's not good if it comes out warm. It has to come out hot. Oh, look at this. Lots of fake shoes here.
But at
Interesting.
least you get 2 fake shoes for the price of 1.
You get a cosmetic store here. And those are those cosmetics that are imported from foreign countries, mostly Western countries. Or sometimes even Korean countries, Korea too. And this year, someone asked me what the name is. It's 114 Nguyen Phan Toi. And this is the very famous salt coffee place.
Oh.
You should try the warm one here once. I don't know. We tried the cold one, but it was not much inside, right?
Oh.
Yeah. All right. Even though we have green lights, you still have to be cautious. This is also a pretty popular banh mi place. Pretty good. I tried it out 3 times. 3 times was good. P&J, if you want to have legit, 100% legit jewelry. P&J is, I think, one of the biggest jewelry companies in Vietnam. And then you have some massage places and Phi Phi Tel King. And now we are almost here, back where Marcus fell in love. Do you think she's still there?
I hope. Maybe yes.
But I don't think she's there in the evening, huh? Yeah, I made a hotel review, and Marcus fell in love with this lady who greeted us at this entrance. She was very pretty and very nice.
Hallelujah.
But you never told her you love her. I don't know. Maybe you should
I'm
just...
shy.
You're shy?
I'm shy.
All right. It's actually very nice now.
This is a new one. They renovated.
Oh wow! What? I think it's still a coffee shop,
Coffee
right?
and tea, yeah.
Coffee and tea shop. It looks so much nicer in the evening. The weather is pretty good right now. It's mild with a little bit of a breeze. Pretty good. I like it, especially if you want to do some nice walks. Yeah.
You see, there's a Thai market.
Yeah, another one. But I'm not a big fan of it, to be honest. I had it once, but I didn't like it that much. Maybe it was also what I tried there. Yeah.
I think I've never eat Thai food very much.
I'm so excited. So Marcus and I are gonna go to Thailand soon, and I will do some Thailand videos with you as well. I will film some Thailand walking tours with Marcus. Maybe it's gonna be fun.
I have something in mind.
I'm gonna film him when he walks around and gets called handsome man everywhere.
That's good for the self-esteem, huh?
Yeah. This is a very bougie lobster and seafood buffet. It's never full.
Looks pricey.
Yeah, it is pricey. I think it's like $50 per person. I believe. I'm not 100% sure though. I think something over 1 million. It's at least 40. I mean, if it's lobster you can eat, then it's still cheap though. Depends how much lobster you can eat, right? How much lobster can you eat? What is Mojo's Massage and Spa? over there. Okay. This is also the street when Marcus and I walked to the beach from the from the airport, and we speed run it in 57 minutes. Yeah.
That was crazy.
Yeah, it was so crazy, and I thought I would have had maybe 12,000 steps, but it was not the case. It was like 8,000 or something.
Yeah.
Pretty pathetic. So yeah. Lots of people here actually at this beer place. This is also, I think, shout out to my good friend Indochina Micha. I think he was here eating somewhere here.
Okay.
Yeah, he was here one time, if I'm not wrong. Indochina Micha, if you're seeing this, please comment yes or no. All right, let's go. We're almost here. Now we are at Le Quan Dao Street, a very important street. You should definitely know the street, Le Quan Dao. It's a very long street. You have a lot of establishments there. And I'm gonna show you also a few interesting places you have to try here right now. If you want to have any kind of household items, get it here. Okay, here. An Thuong. I bought my lovely member a screwdriver there, so I know that, and some light bulbs. So if you need a screwdriver, you can find it here at the beginning of the Le Quan Dao Street. All right, we're gonna walk a little bit further, and then we're gonna head over to the Aussie Bistro. Have a little drink there. Meet the blokes and the lads. This here is very good for Bun Bo Hue. Very, very good. And here on the right side are a lot of coffee shops as well. Here's some pharmacies. I want to show you a very interesting ramen place. It's coming up on the left side, right before we go to the Aussie Bistro. It's delicious. And I have to say, it's the best I ever had here.
Yeah.
Do you think the same?
Yes.
In Da Nang?
It was my first one.
Okay.
Maybe that is not the good part, because when it's the first one and and also the best one,
Yeah,
you
it's
always
pretty
compare.
tough. Yeah. But I think, for me, I think it's the best at the moment. It is, however, double the price than the other ones I had.
Oh, here, look at this. They have a Transylvanian restaurant.
Yeah, with hip-hop music. All right.
Maybe.
And Bobo Pizza. Fresh pizza in Da Nang. Delivery in 3 kilometers. How much does it cost, mate? Bobo Pizza. About
Chicken, $1.55.
pretty fair prices.
$5 to $6.
Man, I have to eat something. I gotta also feed the lady, the missus. I think she's coming soon. She's coming soon from work. She's hungry. If you're married, you need to feed your wife. Else you get either way a black eye or...
Get eaten. I remember the last time when you said that she's furious with the seafood.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So she knows how to cut stuff.
Yeah. Break the bones of the crabs.
Exactly.
Yeah, you don't wanna mess up. It's nice to date Vietnamese women, but you gotta be careful, man. You gotta be careful. They have this warrior spirit in them. This is a pretty good taco place. It's an Australian owner. Pretty expensive too, but good. Cannot say anything against it. And here, the only 100% pork-free and non-MSG ramen in town. I don't know if MSG is bad, but whatever.
But also, it scares me a lot when they say they are the only one with non-MSG. So how many of them use MSG?
I mean, I don't know if MSG is bad, but... So here's the thing, man. Those are the prices. So it's 185,000 for the normal one. It's like a normal portion. But it's bloody good. It's bloody good. And what I can also recommend is those gyozas.
Oh yeah.
They were very delicious.
We had this one, right?
Yes. But I had it with the curly.
Yeah, you have to choose this one.
Yeah. They're delicious. That's the normal noodles. And then they remind me, it's not Spätzle, but they remind me a little bit on Spätzle. And another fun fact, they don't charge you 3%, which is very good.
Yeah, I read it in
So-
internet very often that the
Yeah.
restaurants or shops is charging you.
They're charging
2
a
to 4%.
3%. Yeah, 3% for using cards, but this one is pretty good, and they don't do it. But yeah, we're coming here to the blokes, the lads and the blokes.
Still sitting, drinking soda.
Yeah. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Very calm today. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you on the next walk.